2014 Ford Mustang GT50, black on black. What we got done on it? Converter. He's gonna bring it back. He's going on a trip. When he comes back, we're gonna do high flows. Factory H-pipe, factory resonators. We're gonna cut those off next and take the H-pipe off and put an X-pipe. Do you guys recommend an H-pipe or an X-pipe? Let me know in the comments. And what we put on it, we took the rear mufflers off and put two VALVETRONICS valve mufflers. There's the valving system there and there, VALVETRONICS. So they come as a set. There it is, VALVETRONIC designs. We sell them in the shop. We keep them stocked. If you guys ever want some VALVETRONICS mufflers, just holler at us. And they've got there's the wires for them there on each side. And then we run them into the trunk and then into your cigarette lighter. There's the VALVETRONICS mufflers. There's the valve system right there and right there. It opens and closes. It has a valve inside this compartment. So when the valve is closed, it runs through the muffler. When the valve is open, it runs straight through without any restriction from the muffler. It becomes basically straight pipe. So you got that, you got the flexibility of doing it both ways. And the valves are inside of there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always guys, like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. VALVETRONIC Designs Universal Muffler Kit. This is with them closed. The sound decibels for you guys. Still sounds good, but just quieter, you know? Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 101. One more. I think you just opened it up. Did you open them? Okay, go ahead and open it now. That's the sound right away. Beautiful. Still gives it that throatiness and deep. Sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels. Again. This is with them closed. Go ahead. More. Open them. Still sounds phenomenal though. Here on the inside. It's closed. VALVETRONICS Designs GT Mustang. Good option for you guys in the states that don't want you to cut mufflers off. You can do it that way. So it's legally, it has a muffler on it. Like California, New Mexico, New York. You can't say. Ford Mustang GT50, 6-speed, VALVETRONICS, mufflers. Everything else is bone stock. So this is with the valves closed, guys. Not bad. Still got a little Mustang sound to it, but more factory, you know. What do you think, sir?
Sounds great.
10 times better than
10
straight
times
pipe? Okay. So you heard it from him?
Heard it from him.
All right, now he's gonna open the valves and round 2. The black Mustang. So this is with the valves open, guys, now. VALVETRONIC designs. Big difference. Oh yeah. And when they break in like 30 days more, oh, they get even a little bit louder, nicer. Enjoy, guys.